guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box for July. Would you like to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the July 2026 Beauty Edit Box from FabFitFun has arrived. The way that I always do my choice FabFitFun videos is show you all of the different options that you can choose, because that's the beauty in FabFitFun. You get to customize your entire box. This one here is $29.99 or $95, free US shipping for full-size products that you get to choose. And the seasonal one is the one where you have like seasonal 4 per year, and there's 6 items you get to choose from. But this is the monthly beauty edit box. This one, 2 of the products I was excited about, and 2 of them I chose for a giveaway, future giveaway for one of you guys, because I really didn't need or want any of the products. So let's go ahead and dive in, and we're gonna start with the first customization, number 1. You can choose from a passion fruit lightweight hydration hair mask that is valued at $39. There's a CC cream that you can choose in color fair, in color bronze, or in color medium, all valued for $46. Or you can choose a sheer mineral sunscreen broad spectrum valued for $98. So if you know and you follow me, you probably already know what I chose for this category. And that would be the hair mask. I always love a hair mask, and I thought, you know what? Definitely, I'm going to choose that. Plus, this paid for my entire box altogether. This one here, again, is the hair mask, and it is valued at $39. And it's, again, the Superfoods. I'm super excited about this one right here. And that is a nice large size. This is going in my shower tonight. And if you want to kind of see the consistency, ooh, she's thick and she smells scrumptious, like a berries, strawberries, blueberries blended together like fresh fruit. Oh my gosh, I'm even more excited about that. Smells phenomenal. I cannot wait to put this in my hair tonight, you guys. Like, I am super, super, super excited about that. So the different items you can choose for category number 2 will be Fenty Beauty Glass Balm Ice Cooling Lip Luminizer. You can choose it in Melon Chills or in Iced Pineapple, both valued for $26. Style and Treat Plum Oil 4-in-1 Weightless Hair Oil. This is valued for $28. Or you can choose a fragrance rollerball in Vanilla Santo or in Milk Wood. Both of them are valued for $35. For that one, I actually chose the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I love a good lip oil. I don't really put color or anything like that on my lips, but a clear, I'm all for. So this is the Gloss Iced Balm, and I chose it in color Melon Chills. I was torn between the two because I love melon and I love pineapple. I'm just a fruit hoe. I love me some fruit. This again is valued for $26, and yeah, I'm actually excited about this one here. Again, I was torn between the 2 colors, and I'm like, just go with the melon. And then this is what it looks like. And voila. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a minty watermelon, minty cantaloupe. I got some mint in there with the like the melon. So I'm really excited about that. So there is the second item. So all of the different choices you can choose for category number 3 will be LYS Beauty Higher Standard Cream Glow Blush Stick. You can choose it between color Elite or in color Bubbly, both valued for $24. Freck Beauty Lash Rocket Mascara in color Black, valued for $26. or Freck Beauty Face Hack Blur Plus Bond setting spray. This is valued for $28. And that's actually what I chose because again, I really did not want or need any of those products. So I chose the setting spray to add to a future giveaway that I am doing. Again, this is valued for $28. I will show you what the packaging looks like. And then again, I'm putting this in a future giveaway, but that is a good size. Is the lid off? No, I thought by hearing that the lid might have been off, but there's just like a roller ball inside to shake her up. So again, it is the Blur Plus Bond setting spray. So there is number 3. So all of the different choices you can choose for category number 4 will be Dr. Jart Pore Remedy Purifying Mud Mask. It's a 2-pack valued for $20. Guava Butter Hair Removal Cream. This is valued for $20. Freck Beauty Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick. You can choose it in color Muse or in color Main Character, both valued for $24. Freck Beauty Freck XL Freckle Gel Pen, valued for $28. And then there was an option that wasn't available for me. It said it was currently unavailable for the Plum Oil Sleek Stick. So for that one, I would have chose the Sleek Stick. And I know things always happen for a reason because that morning when I went to choose my products, it said it was unavailable. So I went ahead and chose one of the lipsticks for you guys for the giveaway. But that same day I received, what was that? It was the mystery box that I bought from Kitsch, and it has their, the Kitsch brand, like fly away, keep back thing. So I'm like, you know what? That's great. Cause then I would have had 2. So things always happen for a reason. So I was able to go ahead and choose this item for one of you guys. And this is again, the Freck Beauty Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick. And I chose it for you guys in color Main Character, because we are always the main character. This again is valued for $24. I will show you the packaging, but I'm sure that is like the color. Again, there was 2 different colors, and I just thought this looked like more of a pretty neutral type color. And here is the packaging. And that's probably, again, the color right there. Right there. So I think that is really a super pretty color, and I cannot wait for one of you guys to try that out. So again, for my complete box, the 4 different choices, I chose, which I'm super excited about, this hair mask and this lip gloss. And then for you guys, we have the setting spray and the lipstick. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything that I chose for this particular box. Would you have picked the same things? Would you have picked something completely different? Do you like the options that you can choose for this box? Definitely let me know all below. I would love to hear from you guys. If you want the pricing, again, it's $29.95 for the box per box. They don't do like a 3 or 6, 12 month. It's just monthly, so you can cancel at any time. And then on the first, you get to go in and choose your selections to customize your box, and then it's shipped right to your door. So, I mean, I always love my FabFitFun. There's normally one product that pays for the entire box and then some, and for me that is definitely this bad boy right here, because this was almost $40 and I only paid basically $30 for the box. So it's always a win-win on my end, because I get stuff for myself and I get stuff for you guys to share, which I love doing. So I love my FabFitFun. But definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought. If you would like more information on other companies, other discount codes, you want to see more about me and my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, so that is everything again for me to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.